will talk about how can you create from on your Wix app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. You click here on customers and let's just click on it. You click here on forms and uh, submissions here. Just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. You come here to create form here. You come to next step here, and here can you add here field. Just click on add field. So then here it's going to take you to select field you want to add on your form. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.